Mga anak, let's pray. Huwag tayong matakot. Let's have each other.
Tay, kailangan na po natin maghanda para sa paparating na bagyo. Lulu, I'm scared po.
Huwag kayong mag-alala mga kaibigan. Marami na tayong naranasang bagyo.
Kailangan nating tiyakin na ligtas ang lahat, lalo na ang mga bata. Halika kayo at tulungan niyo akong ayusin ang evacuation center. Wala naman ng internet, oh. Tay, parang malakas na po yung bagyo. Tignan niyo po yung weather radar ko.
Mga anak, huwag kayong matakot. Magdasal lang tayo.
Sorry, sabihan po kami. Lulu, natatakot na po ako.
Tara, tulungan natin sila.
Huwag kayong matakot mga bata, ligtas kayo rito. Taas na ng tubig. Kailangan na natin lumipat sa mataas na lugar.
Hi everyone, with a typhoon storm approaching, let's ensure we're all prepared. First, secure your home. Bring loose objects inside. Anything that could become airborne and cause damage, board up windows if necessary, or at least cover them with strong tape. Trim any overhanging branches that could fall. Make sure your gutters are clear up to prevent water buildup. Now, it's the time to charge all your electronic devices, including phones and power banks. Gather essential supplies, water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, flashlight, and batteries. If you have pets, make sure they're safe and secure. Ideally, inside with you. Finally, stay informed, monitor weather reports regularly through trusted sources. Once the storm hits, stay indoors. Avoid going outside at all costs, even if it seems to calm down temporarily. Stay away from windows and doors. If you are in a high-risk area, move to a designated safe room or shelter. If you lose power, use flashlights, not candles, to avoid fire hazards. Keep your phone charged and ready to communicate in case of emergency. Listen to weather updates and follow any instructions from authorities. If flooding occurs, move to a higher ground immediately. Remember, your safety is the #1 priority. After the storm passes, don't rush outside immediately. Wait for official announcements that it is safe to do so. Check for any damage to your home and property. Be cautious of downed power lines, debris, and flooded areas. report any damage to the appropriate authorities. If you experience significant damage, seek help from emergency services or relief organizations. Continue to monitor weather reports for any further updates or warnings. Help your neighbors if they need assistance. Remember, recovery takes time, and community support is crucial during this period. Stay safe, everyone.
A storm surge over 17 feet. Over 6,300 dead. And many more missing. Whole villages wiped out. Lives changed forever.
Ay, wait lang. Para sa ako masulti, mga pila ka seconds.
5 seconds pag i-upload.
Hindi lang na yung phone.
Mga anak, let's pray, let's help each other. Huwag tayong matatakot. Ay, nabalik.
Go.
Lord, gabayan mo ko kami.
Go.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Isang malakas na bagyo na pinangalanang Bagyong Yolanda ay nasahang tatama sa loob ng susunod na 48 oras. Pagtutulo, lagi na.
Lulu, I'm scared po. Parang bata.
Bata ako. Itong TV, mga TV.